How are you? I am fine. Everybody, thank you. Welcome to my YouTube channel, the Make Money, How to Make Money. The online make money is a busy topic with the various ways to earn money on the internet. Some popular method of make money online. Number one, freelancing. If you have skills such writing, graphic design, programming, video editing, you can charge as a freelancer one platform skill, Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Your any skill, gather to now the how to make money, lot of make money. And again, the graphic design, programming, video editing, website development, etc. etc. You're the best platform, the online marketplace. First time, you are newly skill gather uses the Fiverr marketplace. Fiverr marketplace, lot of people, lot of worker. Then any skill development, the Fiverr marketplace. Or how do possible they make money $1,000 to $1,000 per month, per week. Available income, the top rated seller. The first time they skill gather, the second time Upwork, freelancer.com. Okay. The online service. The next make money of online. This number two. The online service. You can earn money by writing an online survey, the offer cash you in gift card, and your opportunity. Some popular survey site including Survey Junkie and Surveybucks and Vindale Research, etc. etc. You can search the online, the Google search bar, the how to survey site, the lot of survey site presentation, your desktop, your phrase, your computer. You can choose any survey site. The sign up and work. The lot of people, the lot of worker, the lot of freelancer, the survey job. The second number survey job. The first freelancing, second survey job. You can survey system, lot of company, how to lot of make money. The survey money, available video on YouTube. You can just try it. Okay. Third, the how to make money of online. The third position, the affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, the big platform in the world. You can make money by programming product or service and earning communication commission for every sales through your unique affiliate link, as like Amazon, eBay, lot of affiliate site, the affiliate program. The very important part, the affiliate marketing. You can make money by program products and service, earning commission for every sales made through your unique affiliate link. Number four, very easy and interesting, the all over people, the Bangladesh, India, Pakistan, the worldwide, any country, any people, the presentation, the blogging. You can start a blogging or YouTube channel, Facebook, monetization it through advertising, sponsor, or selling digital products. The present time, very important, and there is online earning platform, the blogging. You can start everywhere, the whole world, every people start now the blogging, and very easy income the YouTube or Facebook. Number 5, the Facebook. They recently published the Facebook company, the how to make money of Facebook monetization, the 3 steps of Facebook make money. The number 1, Facebook short, Reels and Instamart. The monetization policy launched 2023, the how to make money of Facebook. Number 6, online tutorial. You have experience in the subject, you can offer online training service through the platform skill, Chegg, TutorMe and Schooling, and use all over Zoom. You can teacher, you can trainer, you can learn your every knowledge, the sharing, your skill sales, the online tutorial. Your online tutorial, the best platform, Chegg, TutorMe, Schooling. Number 7, the selling product, the very important part of the online platform, the selling product. You can selling physical or digital product online third platform, likely easy, Amazon or Shopify. Same things. Your product not only for Amazon, Shopify, lot of others. The platform you can charge the Google, any subject, the selling product marketplace. The lot of marketplace you can present. I have details, information on the practical class on the presentation how to make money. Just motivational space in this videos. Though just a few example of the money why you just make money online, it easily do you reach and find the best option. The issue is skill and interest. Hi friend, I'm the revise with some memorize the how to make money. The how to make money, the online make money is a busy topics, the very art of earn make money on the internet. Your first time freelancing, your any skill development, how to make money, the graphic design, programming, writing and video editing. You the opportunity of marketplace, the Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer. The newly skill development, the person uses the Fiverr marketplace, the how to make money in the world. The second, the higher skill development, you can choose this marketplace, the Upwork. Upwork, the best platform, the higher skill people, and freelancer.com. Okay, there are online survey, the lot of survey company, the online you can search online platform, the survey. Fourth, you are the affiliate program, how to make money, the commission earn, the affiliate, unique affiliate link as like Amazon, eBay, Shopify, etc., a lot of company. The very important and very easily earn the online make money than the blogging. You can smartphone your hands, you can start then the online blogging, then the YouTube channel, the Facebook, you can blogging anywhere, any place that shoot your camera on your mobile, the videos, then YouTube monetization policy, monetization approval, total the income for advertising and sponsor and selling digital product, etc. You can teacher, you can expert people, you can the online tutor, you can experience in the subject, you can offer the online tutorial service through the platform like Chegg, TutorMe, and Scholarly, etc. Lot of you can charge this. You can charge this the online platform. The available market is the tutorial product. The selling product. You can sell product, your own product, commission products, others products, your company's products. Then you sell the digital, physically or digital products. You can throw the platform like easy Amazon or Shopify. The world trusted the affiliate link, the affiliate company, then Amazon, Shopify, eBay, etc., etc. Thank you very much, my old friends. You can try how to make money. I have step-by-step guideline, the lot of video, my knowledge, my sharing, and this my videos in make money tutorial, my channel. Everybody subscribe and views, like, share, comment, and sharing your knowledge. Share your knowledge, the commenting. Thank you very much. Best of luck. Best of luck, all of my friends, all of my viewers, all of my audience. Best of luck.